All right, so currently I have this 16-inch Earthworks china. I actually love it. It's great. It's very trashy, very fast decay. So let's take a listen to that. But I do like my chinas at least 18 inches. All right, so let's unbox the new one. Pro tip, always cut towards yourself. Ooh, that's cool. It's like purplish brown and blue. Now, moment of truth. Let's see how it sounds. I already got the other one off, so let's get this one on. Okay. Okay. Now let's hear this by itself. Oh, okay. So it's definitely a lot longer of a decay, not as trashy. Let's hear it in context. More of an effects china, you know? Not ideal for what I'm playing, you know, metalcore breakdowns and stuff like that. So I'm gonna switch back to the Earthworks china. So it's cool, but I'm gonna sell it. I prefer my Earthworks. Trashy little boy. Maybe I'll get an 18-inch Earthworks, because then it'll just have a little bit longer of a decay, be a bit bigger. But Saluda still makes great cymbals, so go buy stuff from them. As a disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Saluda. I would love to be, but when I asked them, they said no, because nobody knows who I am. So make me famous so they can sponsor me, please. Thank you.
I want to spend some time with you. Just the two.